शेनवारा जागतीक रॅबीज दीस जालो. ह्या विशीं जागृताय करपाक पणजेंत विद्यार्थ्यांनी रॅली काडिल्ली. वॅक्सिनेट अँड एलिमिनेट अशी ह्या रॅली फाटली घोशणा आशिल्ली. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
Be the first state for that reason. For awareness creation, today is the World Rabies Day. All over the world it is celebrated to create a big awareness about this disease, awareness about the deadly disease, and to tell the people how to avoid the dog bites and how to manage this rabies disease. Vaccination is the best. Vaccinate and eliminate is the slogan for this project. So vaccination of the dogs makes the dogs free from rabies so that the human being as well are free from rabies.
Norma Alvarez from Goa. I am the founder trustee of People for Animals and a member of the State Animal Welfare Board. And I'm very happy that this program is being organized because awareness is one of the main things realized to be made among people so that their dogs are vaccinated, pet dogs are vaccinated. Now Mission Rabies is doing a great job by vaccinating the strays and the pets. But very often people don't realize that unless you vaccinate, there is a possibility of humans contracting rabies. And after 3 or 4 years of doing this sustained vaccination, we have brought down the rabies count to 0 in the state of Goa.
कुत्र्यान चावल्यार